Welcome back. Welcome back. I know I had a long time I didn't post a video. Things were going on. Long story short, I bought a house. More higher priorities other than the Chevy and the truck bed camper. But that's what we're here for. I'm going to give you an update, which is not much has happened with the camper, but I'll show you what we got. We're going to start this. We got the new garage, and we're gonna get this rolling here. We're gonna get this rolling. Oh, for everybody wants to see this. There we go. So first of all, there she is. Got the Chevy. There it is. Starts up, runs. We'll be driving her down the road, big camper and all. So here's the camper. We got the tarp on it. We made horses for her. Nice. Got some boots on the horses. Rot-free boots on the horses. So, you know, there's nothing different here. So for what you guys saw, I just give you a shot here. There you go. It looks terrible. Tarped up camper. I mean, come on. This is just what you get. But we're gonna get this going. The decision was made. I'll give you the underbelly of this. There is a lot of rot in this camper. It's been determined that it's going to be easier to rebuild the camper from the ground up. So we got the lumber, we got the dimensions, we got a table saw. We're going to start ripping 2x4s down and building this thing. Alright, we got the beginnings of the bottom framework of the truck bed camper. Doing our best to just copy the existing framework and pretty much entire camper, because all of the parts that are on that camper will then fit better on the new one. So the runners are 1.5 inches tall, which is 2x4 or 2x width, and then they're all 1 inch wide. So we ripped them all down and we're starting the framework. Nice. Alright, we have the main framework underneath the camper pretty much complete here. About to throw some paint on it. It's roughly 11 feet long, 8 feet wide in the back of the wings, I'm calling them, and it's 4 foot wide up front. So, getting her done. There's another view of the existing camper. So we're going from that of its replacement bones. Right there, the 2x4s here you see are where the step, there's a slide out step. That's what that's gonna bolt to. So a little extra support there instead of these little 1 inch wide guys. All right, keeping you updated.